Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 17th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. And we're starting on the daily, working down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the daily, I mean, the trend is up on the daily. The trend is definitely up on the weekly. So, primarily we should be looking for longs on sort of time frames. Now, we did have a big spike right at this 61% fib, but you would kind of expect this to either be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, or maybe even like a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. So I would expect to see more pushes to the upside. I would expect this push down to likely just be a pullback to the last impulsive move up. So going down to roughly the 1 hour time frame. Now, I think that the 2 to 4 hour time frame break of structure to the upside is going to confirm that we're in another wave to the upside, because technically we did get a break of structure, but that break looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's where I would say this is either an A or 1. Most likely we're in a crescent to that move right now, either a wave B or a wave 2. So if we get a nice Fibonacci bounce, which we really already did get a 61% Fib bounce, and a nice engulfing move to the upside, I would definitely take it as a long. We already got the Fib bounce, so this possibly could just be a little pullback right here. It could make a higher low, and it could start a big push to the upside for either a wave 3 or a wave C. Like I said, the daily and the weekly time frames are definitely in uptrend, so we do need to primarily be looking for longs in an uptrend on these sort of time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.